Cierra Janae. Hey. What's up? It's your girl Cierra Janae. Hey, Cierra Janae. Hey, Cierra Janae. Hey, Cierra Janae. Hey, Cierra Janae. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, whoa, Cierra Janae. Whoa. What's up, you guys? I am back on another video. Yay! If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and also turn the post notification on because you don't want to miss another video from me. And if you're a returning family member, welcome back. I highly appreciate you coming back to visit me, you know what I'm saying? My family, my gang, you know. So guys, as you see by the title, yes, I'm going to be doing would you rather. Would you rather this or would you rather that? We're going to see what these questions looking like. So I have them written down on my notes in my phone. So that's what I'm going to be looking at. But today, what we have to eat is some canes. Yum. You got Texas toast that I already bit off of because your girl's hungry, okay? I'm ready to get into this video. Got some fries. And I got 4 chicken strips. And so if you do not know what Cane's is, they have special sauce. And it's also like a, I guess you can call it like a chicken strip place, I guess. Got me some ketchup for my french fries. Then I got me a good old Fanta. So let's open this. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well with this whole virus going on, you know what I'm saying? But we gonna be okay. I already blessed this food, so I'm gonna go ahead open this saucy. This sauce is so good, y'all. Y'all need to try it if y'all haven't. Today has been crazy. Like, today has not been my day, but you know, we gonna make the best of it. I'm gonna go ahead and get a couple of bites in before I go ahead and start the questions. By the way, guys, we're almost at 2K. So help your girl get there. Share me out. Tell your friends, your uncles, your grandma about me. Yo, this special sauce, y'all. That's why your girl had to get 2. You need banging. Hold on. All right, here, let's do this. Okay. Let's get into these questions. Let me go to it. Okay. It says, would you rather lose all the money you earned this year or lose all the memories you gained this year? Since I haven't really made that much money this year, I mean, I really haven't made any memories, but I do have some bad memories, which was from this year. So, to be honest, I think I would probably say lose all the memories, to be honest. Because I only have like a certain amount of memories that had came to me that were good, but everything else was like, you know, regular or whatever. Okay. The second question says, would you rather have no taste or be colorblind? No taste or colorblind. Well, I like to be able to see colors because, you know, I'm attracted to colors, obviously. And without seeing colors, like, I don't even know how it would be. It'd just be black and white. I'm really curious. But I love my taste. So, because I love to be able to taste good food like this, okay? So, I think I would have to say colorblind. I mean, no taste. Wait, hold on. Yeah, I have to say colorblind. I'm sorry. Got confused for a minute. Okay. This is so good. Uh-oh. It fell off. Okay. Come on. It says, would you rather know the date of your death or know the cause of your death? I feel like knowing the date of your death won't do you any justice because regardless, that day is still going to come. So regardless if it's, I don't know, let's say July 15th, you're gonna be like, oh my God, time is counting down to July. Like, like you can't prevent that because you can't prevent a day, you know what I'm saying? So I feel like knowing the cause of your death, it may possibly can prevent you from it happening by staying away from this or that or whatever it could be, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go with cause of death, for real. Delish. I am so rude. Like, do y'all want some? Once again, I'm just like always so hungry. I don't even offer my people none. Now I'm gonna give y'all some chicken strip with some sauce on it. Let's give y'all a lot of sauce so y'all can taste it. Yes. There you go. Eat up. So good. If y'all haven't tried canes, y'all need to ASAP. Okay, let's see. Would you rather find a dead body or be a witness to a deadly assault? I don't know how I would react on seeing a dead body. I would obviously panic, but the right thing is to call 911. And at that point, you are obviously a witness, so they're gonna ask you a few questions. When did you see them? How did, like, where were you coming from when you saw them? Like, did you know what happened? No, like, you know. Or be a witness to a deadly assault. No, I think I would rather find a dead body because that way I can call 911 so they can examine the body, whatever, do what they have to do, and then I'm done. I don't have to be a witness to a deadly assault because that takes a lot. They take you step by step by step. Like, nope, I'm good. I am Gucci, okay? I am good. My texture tastes so good, buttery. This sauce so good, y'all made me want to cry. Okay. It says, would you rather only be able to wash your hair twice a year or only be able to check your phone once a day? First of all, I don't like no dirty hair, so I can't be washing my hair twice a year. You feel me? My phone can wait. So I'm gonna have to go with that check your phone only once a day, because I don't like no dirty hair. Like, just the thought of it, no man. I can't do that to myself. Like, just the fact that, like, when I get braids, and they'll be fresh still, freshly braids in my head, and just by the oil sitting in my hair, it will itch like crazy, and I'm just like, I can't even imagine not washing my hair for like only twice a year. I can't. Nope. Okay, let's see. Would you rather be reborn into the past or the future? Let's see. If I were to be reborn, would I want to be born again in the past or the future? I don't know. That's a hard question because it doesn't seem like the world is getting any better right now. And how it is right now, I would probably want to go back to the past, because in the past you didn't see all this, you know, crime. Like, when I talk about past, I'm talking about like 2000 to like 2004 and so forth, before you get to 2020, 2019. Because no, I'd rather be born in the past again. Okay, because with this, all this crime rate and stuff high, it's just bad. Yum. Y'all, let me just tell y'all a little something about Cane's. Cane's and Chick-fil-A are my favorites, right? So I can literally eat Cane's over Chick-fil-A now, which is so crazy because majority of my family members, y'all know, I love Chick-fil-A. So the fact that I'm saying I like Cane's over Chick-fil-A is crazy. And mind you, this is my second time back to back. I had it yesterday and I had it today. So I'm addicted. Sorry, I'm touching my food. So it's like, I can never get tired of it. That's how good it is. Let's see. Would you rather have a pause button in your life or a rewind button? A pause or rewind button. Let's see. I feel like I would want to have a pause button, because if you're talking reckless to me or you just annoy me, or just something that I'm not vibing with, pause and leave it at that. Period. Ain't no rewinding, ain't no try to go back and fix things. Like, I'm good. So let's just pause you right now. But yeah, I can't see myself being the type of person to want to rewind unless it's something that like really means something to me. But other than that, I'm gonna pause it. It says, okay guys, I'm sorry, my camera died for a minute. But the next question was, would you rather constantly itch or be in excruciating pain for a whole day once a year? I think I would itch for that whole day, because ain't no way in hell I'm gonna be sitting there in pain the whole entire day. I know us females, we be in pain, like, you know, monthly or whatever, but it says excruciating. So that means like higher than high. So I can't, my pain tolerance is so little, like I just cannot. Like getting my nose pierced was the worst thing ever. I said, if this falls out, I'm never getting it again. That's how bad it is. Like in the tub, take off of work, relax, be in the hot water all day, be in something that doesn't make me itch, you know. I may be looking like a crackhead, but look, it's only a day. I'm just playing, y'all. But the next question is, would you rather have no friends but be rich, or have lots of friends but be dirt poor? To be honest, you guys, I would rather have no friends and be rich versus having lots of friends and being dirt poor. Because having friends and being poor, it doesn't make you feel good about yourself, because you may see like what your friends have, or you know, you may be hungry that day, or you dirt poor, and your friend's like, oh yeah, I'm going to eat with my friends, my family, or whatever. You're just like, oh okay, that's what's up. And you're sitting in your house, no food, no money, nowhere to go. Like, so I'd rather be rich with no friends, because rich with no friends, you don't really need friends. Like, like you already got everything you need right there, right? So that one is my question. I mean, my answer. Let me see. Would you rather win the lottery or live in good health to be 200 years old? For me personally, I think I would say I would want to win the lottery, due to the fact that I'm not trying to be 200 years old. Like, I cannot. Like, by the time I reach 99, I'm gonna be tired. Like I'm already tired now, and I haven't even reached 25 yet. Okay, so Cierra Janae being 200 years old, no ma'am, could never. Okay, period. So that's out of the question. Hold on, y'all. My eyes hurt. Okay, the next question. Would you rather be able to read somebody's mind or control their mind? Me personally, I think I would want to read their mind to know on how they feel or what they're thinking about at that moment of time. Because people have a thing of like lying, especially like to me. I don't know what it is or like what it does to them, but they like lying. Like it gives them like that good feeling, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, but if I was able to read their mind, I'd be like, why would you even like think that? Like, you know, versus trying to control it. Because I mean, I feel like me controlling somebody else's mind, that's just gonna be me in somebody else's body, you know what I'm saying? If that makes any sense, right? But I don't know. Comment down below on what y'all's answers are for all these questions that I have answered. I would love to know what y'all would do. And yes, I need to mukbang some canes. It's so good. I got a quick question. What are y'all's goals for 2020? Have y'all set any goals? Because my goals is to save a whole lot more than what I was last year. I want to build for my future. I want to travel this year. I want to be able to get my passport this year. I want to be able to get my car note like way ahead of time. So hopefully by this year it will be done with versus it being done next year. I want to finish my house. So y'all can see the house tour for this one. And yeah. So comment down below. Let me know what your goals are for the rest of this year. And yeah, may everybody's goals come true. So yeah guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Thank you so much for watching my video. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share me out. And also don't forget to turn your post notifications on because you don't want to miss another video from me. So with that being said, thank you for watching and y'all stay blessed. Bye.